video, we're going to look at the changes made in the 3.2b version of CounterAct, which allows you to export items from purchase orders and recommended orders. So if I go into an enter manual order and I go onto the items page, if I click on the more features option, I can then choose export and then choose list of products for supplier. If I press OK on that, it'll give me a location where it's created the export for. I'm going to load that export. This export could then be used for uploading to suppliers' websites. So that's my export. I also have that same functionality available in record recommended orders. It's also available in change cancel purchase orders as well. So let's record a recommended order. And I can go to the items page, choose more features, export, list products. Again, it then gives me that list of the supplier into that location. I can load that Excel spreadsheet from there.